Canada has worked to demonstrate that when we strengthen the middle class, we strengthen social cohesion, we reinforce faith in our democratic institutions at home, and engage with the world in consequential and positively impactful ways. And major global investors are looking around the world to where they can be part of that. Canada will always be a reliable partner, because the key is simple. Make sure you're putting people first. As your president says, grow the economy from the bottom up and the middle out. Put people's dignity, their rights, their environment, and their future at the center of what we do as policymakers, as business people, as commentators, as champions of democracy and rules-based trade. That's how we deliver on the promise of progress for everyone.